Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 GIGAME GACOULOMB Savannah Luxury Van, fully customizable dream ride. This van is no longer just about utility, it's about comfort, flexibility, and premium travel. Let's break it down from exterior to conclusion. Exterior. The 2026 GIGAME GACOULOMB Savannah Luxury Van features a bold yet refined exterior that blends practicality with executive styling. A redesigned front grille, modern LED headlights, and smooth body lines give it a premium road presence. Optional chrome accents, upgraded alloy wheels, privacy tinted windows, and custom paint options elevate its luxury appeal. Power sliding doors and an extended body option make it both stylish and functional, perfect for families, VIP transport, or business use. Interior, short, around 100 words. Inside, the 2026 GIGAME GACOULOMB Savannah Luxury Van feels like a private lounge on wheels. The cabin offers plush leather captain seats, customizable seating layouts, ambient LED lighting, and premium wood or carbon fiber trim. A large infotainment screen, rear entertainment system, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports keep everyone connected. Advanced climate control ensures comfort for all passengers. Sound insulation has been enhanced for a quieter ride, creating a smooth and relaxing travel experience ideal for long journeys. Performance. Under the hood, the Savannah Luxury Van offers powerful and reliable engine options, including a V8 for confident highway cruising and heavy-duty use. Smooth transmission tuning ensures effortless acceleration, while improved suspension delivers a stable and comfortable ride even when fully loaded. Safety features. Safety is well covered with advanced driver assist technologies such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, rear view camera, and multiple airbags. The strong body structure and stability control systems add extra confidence on long trips. Unique selling points. Fully customizable luxury interior. Spacious cabin with flexible seating layouts. Ideal for VIP transport, family travel, or business use. Smooth ride with powerful engine options. Premium comfort in a practical van format. Price. The 2026 GIGAME GACOULOMB Savannah Luxury Van is expected to start around $75,000, with fully customized luxury builds reaching $110,000 or more, depending on features and personalization. Conclusion. The 2026 GIGAME GACOULOMB Savannah Luxury Van proves that vans can be both luxurious and practical. With its customizable interior, smooth performance, and strong safety features, it's a true dream ride for those who want space without sacrificing comfort. Whether for business or family travel, this van truly stands out. Minibus sparkles.